I think before, when I said it's about removing handovers, that makes it sound so simple and so easy. But the point here is you're never really deleting handovers. You're just moving them to other places in the organization, right? So you will always have these collaboration points with other teams, and figuring out how to do that effectively at the right timing is very difficult. I think you will always have a team that think they're being added into the process too late, or involved in meetings they're not relevant for them too early, or it's very difficult to get the timing right. And that's really where I like to combine the customer journey perspectives with the agile methodology. Not that you have to, you can do one without the other, but that's where the beauty of combining them becomes very strong, because the agile methodology, if you use those different touch points in the right way, you get those collaboration points with the teams that you need to collaborate with on a very frequent basis. So you get your quarterly planning together with, you would invite that other representatives of that department into your planning and go like, hey, we're going to improve on this steps of the customer journey this quarter. We know that you are related a little bit in this one, or we have the same platform or the same touch point, or whatever it is that you have together, and you would align on how to do that together. But even as I'm saying it here, it sounds simple. It's definitely not easy and simple, and it really comes down to the people doing the work as well.